Hello crazy coders, today we will make a URL shortener using Python. For this we will make use of a Python module named PyShorteners. So let's install it in our computer. Open your VS Code terminal and type the following command: pip install PyShorteners. So after installation, I have created a new Python file and named it url short.py, and this is the URL which I want to shorten, and this is the URL of our Python mini projects playlist. Do check out. So now first thing, I want to import PyShorteners. So this is the module we are going to use, that's why we installed it. And next thing is I want to create a variable link to store this link. And now I will remove the comment. So as you know, PyShorteners is a Python library to help short and expand URLs using famous URL shorteners available. Means all the famous APIs are already implemented, we just have to call them. So let's do that. Now all the implemented APIs are stored at PyShorteners.shortener class. And from this I want to call tinyurl. So we can do it from this tinyurl API, and from tinyurl there is a function called short, and if we pass link to it, it will shorten it. Now so store this link in a variable named short URL, and I will just print it. So it's that simple using Python, because there is all the APIs are already implemented. So we have done. Let's check the output. So as you can see, a tiny URL shortened. We got the shortened URL. So thank you for watching video. That's it from this video. We'll catch you up in the next one.